So in today's video we are going grocery shopping at Lidl and I want to bring you along, so stick around and see you soon. Hello everyone, welcome to Lecker Treats and thank you so much for being here. My name is Benedicta and in today's video I will be sharing with you my grocery haul. So it's a beautiful day in Munich and I went grocery shopping at Lidl and I would like to quickly share with you the items I got from Lidl. So I have arranged them in order of vegetables, fruits, we have some meat stuff over here, we have some snacks, bakery stuff, and some eggs at the end. So let's get started. So over here I got some onion. I got the red onion, this is how it looks, and I got the white onion. I got a pack of each. I think this is 1 kilo and this is 2 kilos. Yeah. And I also got a pack of bell pepper. It's 500 grams in total and it comes in the color green, red and yellow. I also got a pack of carrots and this is 1 kilogram pack of carrots. I got over here a pack of Roma tomato. I really like this because it doesn't have much liquid and seeds in it, so I love to use Roma tomatoes. On some occasions I use the Rispen one. It's German, Rispen Tomaten. Yeah, so sometimes I like buying the Rispen tomato. And one thing you would always find in my kitchen, not one but 3 items you would always find in my kitchen, is some ginger, garlic and onion, and usually I combine this to use as my marinade for my beef, my chicken, my fish, for my soups and stews. It works absolutely amazing. So I always ensure I have ginger, garlic, onion at home. Sometimes I blend it up and you can also refrigerate it just to take it out and use anytime you want to prepare a lovely meal at home. Also, I got this cabbage. This is the hard type and I use the hard cabbage to prepare my stews. And I can sometimes also use it for my stir fries because it takes a longer time to cook. However, for the soft one, the regular type, I use it for my salads, and with that you can eat it raw. So I prefer to use this for my stews and my salads. I prefer to use this for my stews and my stir fries because it has a longer cooking time and it wouldn't go soggy. It's not going to be mushy in any way. So that's the main reason why it's always best to use the hard type of cabbage for your stews, your sauces and your stir fries. Next, I think the last vegetable we have here is the green beans, and I always love to have this in addition to my cabbage and carrots for my cabbage stews. So that is a pack. I think this is a pack of 500 grams of green beans. This is how beautiful it looks. Yeah. So next we are moving on to our fruits. I got 2 watermelon. It's quite heavy. I got 2 of those, and I'll be using it for my, if you've not tried the Sun City juice yet, please do. It's on Lecker Treats. You can easily find it under our playlist of juices and drinks. It's amazing. We made this with watermelon, ginger and tomato, and please do find out how it looks. It's so amazing. And I'll also be using it for popsicles, ice cream popsicles for my kids. They love it. They love it. And as summer will be here in no time, kindly get yourself watermelon and try out our watermelon recipes. It's simply delicious. Next item I have here is banana, and we never run out of banana in this house. If we do, we'll get someone saying banana, banana, and that's my little boy, my son. He's just a year old and he loves his banana. So whenever we are running out of some and it's left with just 3 fingers or 2 fingers, we leave it for him because he loves his banana. So I got a lot and he couldn't wait for me to have this video recorded, so I had to offer him some. So that is it. We also have a pack of apples, and this, they said it is it's the Süß-Sauerlich apple. It's this sweet sour type of apple. So that is it. Yeah. So moving on, we got some basmati rice. I love using basmati rice for my jollof rice, my fried rice. I love it. Sometimes I use it for my rice pudding. I sometimes use this, but then you can also buy the rice that is solely designated for that. I think those types is the broken rice. You can buy the rice designated for milk rice pudding. But I also use this for making it. Next, I got 2 of those, by the way, and then I got this macaroni. It was actually picked by my daughter, and I'll be using it to make some pasta salad for her. I got mushrooms, and I'll be using this for my favorite breakfast meal. So please, if you want to know what that is, kindly leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll have that recorded. It's so delicious. I got 2 packs of chicken breast that has already been thinly sliced, and I'll be using this for my wrap. So over here we have the sausage. I'll be using this for my cabbage stew in addition to something special. Please look out for it. And I got these sausages, 2 packs of that. And you know, the weather is getting warm, so we have to get some barbecuing going on. So we got 2 packs of that. And we got this bacon. We'll be using it mostly for our breakfast. Yeah, that is it. So that is how it looks. Yeah. And we got some salami, 3 packs of those. We also got the brand Bärchen Wurst. It's just simply sausage that has been made in a bear shape. So I got it for my kids because they love to eat this, to have it as breakfast, sometimes as snack. They simply love to have this. So we also got over here some sausages to have as snacks for the kids. I also got here fruit pouch, and it's 100% fruits. They used strawberry, apple and banana. It's great to have a snack for the kids. I also got here this Danone yogurt, and it comes in this pouch, so you can have it when you are on the go, and it works fantastic as a snack for kids as well. This is another snack. It's a chocolate and a milk filling. It has a milk filling, and it's mostly loved by kids. So when we come over here, we have some biscuits. This is chocolate biscuit, and this is, I think, butter biscuit. I got some butter, 2 packs of those to use as just a spread, and then we got some pickles, a can of it. We have this beans, kidney beans. So I came across a new item I haven't tried before, because mostly I make my dough for my bread, for my pastries. However, I wanted to give this pizza dough a try. It's already made. It was in the fridge section, so you need to roll it out. I think it's already rolled out, so you need to just give it a final roll and then place your topping on top. I'm excited to give this a try, not just for pizza but for other recipes as well, and hopefully it will turn out right. I'll share with you my opinion on this when I'm done. I also have here some milk bread. Usually I make my own bread, but on some occasions I am a bit caught up with time to do that, so I just have a pack at home just to make sure that my kids can have it whenever they ask for it. I have here 2 packs of waffles and a pack of sandwich bread, because I want to record a sandwich recipe and I wanted to use this particular type for it. I also got over here some fruit juice. I have grapefruit juice. It's 100% directly pressed grape juice, and I have the orange juice as well. It's also 100% orange juice. I have here butter biscuits, and this butter biscuit is a favorite of ours in this house. It tastes absolutely delicious. The brand from LIDL is amazing. Please give it a try if you've not done yet, and you can easily find, if you can find it at your location, kindly give it a try. It tastes so good when you have it with tea. And I got this honey, and we usually use honey for our tea, coffee. That's what we use as a sweetener in this house. And we got some eggs. I always ensure that I have eggs at home because I need it for my bacon. I need it for, that's how it looks. I need it for my bacon, for breakfast, to have as lunch. So I ensure to have eggs at home. I got 2 packs of those. And we also got these sweets. By the way, it wasn't picked by me. My husband did, because he has a sweet tooth, and also the kids. Yes, so they got the Twix, they got Milka, they got other brands as well. Yeah, and this is, I think it has nuts in it. Yeah, and then they also got some other sweets down here. Normally I do not take sweets, I hardly take chocolates. Yeah, so that is it. We got all these items from LIDL and a few more from other places, but because I'm doing a LIDL haul, so I'll just be sharing these items with you. If you would like to see other grocery hauls, please give this video a thumbs up, indicate it in the comments section, and I'll be glad to be giving you more grocery hauls. So thank you so much for joining me today on this grocery haul video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Kindly hit the subscribe button if you've not done yet, and please turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever new videos are uploaded every week. Until we come your way again in the next one, it's bye.